It all started when I was living in Washington, D.C., working, just had my first job, and decided I was going to invest in a really good premium designer pair of jeans. So my friend Catherine and I went shopping. I tried on hundreds of pairs of jeans and none of them fit me. If they even had it in my size, nothing fit right. And it was really frustrating, and I felt, just kind of sad about my body and frustrated that there was nothing out there that would fit me.
At about the same time, I was in Brazil doing some research for a career change in my life. I'd always been in the fashion industry, but now I was actually concentrating on trying to find some really exciting products in Brazil to bring back to the U.S. market. And on this particular trip, I came back through D.C. and came to visit Emily and brought her a pair of jeans that I had found and brought them to her as a gift.
They fit me perfectly. It was as if they were designed for me. And I remember thinking, Mom, we have something. This is something amazing that you've discovered. And then it was even better because they fit my friend Catherine, my sister, and we all had different body types. And it was a light bulb moment for us that, the Brazilian designers were doing something a little different, and we wanted to find out more.
My husband, Emily's dad, is Brazilian, and so obviously I love things Brazilian. But one of the things I do appreciate, have always appreciated about Brazil, is the way they are very innovative, from their food to their fashion. The other thing is the way Brazilian women embrace their curves in the way they wear their clothes. And so that always seemed like a very alluring and a very important aspect of their fashion.
Now we had discovered that there was something to this in these jeans in Brazil, but they still weren't perfect. We took that as a challenge to make the perfect fitting jean. And my mom and I were the fit models.
So we took the plunge and we decided we were going to manufacture these jeans. We found the manufacturing partner and we made the jeans. We were shipping out of my dining room. My dining room was wall-to-wall jeans. We decided to take a summer tour, is what we called it, the summer tour of Beija Flor, and we packed my van and we went up and down the East Coast everywhere we could find anybody would have a jeans party where we tested and proved the fit.
So the word started to spread about Beija Flor jeans. We started to get attention not only from our friends and family, but real magazines. We were featured in People's Style Watch. The editor actually said, "These jeans changed my life." We had a really nice feature in O magazine as part of the world's best jeans. And even better, we had women all over the country now wearing the jeans.
I'm a firm believer that fashion should make you feel better and more beautiful. And that's what our jeans do. They solve problems for women. There's nothing better than a great pair of jeans, and ours fit and they make the woman look best.
The last 10 years has definitely been filled with a lot of hard work, a lot of mistakes that we've learned from, but I'm really proud of how far we've come, but also that in this growth we've managed to still stay true to some of our core values, being eco-friendly, being socially conscious, and mostly remembering who our customer is and designing for her so that when she takes a pair of jeans into the dressing room, she's going to feel good about herself and feel like her body was made for the jeans, and that's what we're here for.